Hey people, welcome to This Too Is. And before I go on any further, I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel recently. I just passed 400 subscribers and I want to thank each and every one of you. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Milwaukee M12 cordless 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun. And the number to this one is 2441/20. Okay, and I got this one from Home Depot. It says right here, constant flow technology, consistent beads resulting in cleaner, faster installations. Top speed dial and variable speed trigger. Complete dispensing rate control. Compact and lightweight, up to 40% less weight than competitive cordless caulk guns. Anti-drip, automatically reverse plunger, relieving pressure from the tube. 400 pounds of pushing force, easily dispenses common construction sealants and adhesives. Red lithium battery, dispenses up to 150 tubes of building sealant per charge. That's 10-ounce tubes. So yep, here it is. Let's see what comes inside. And yeah, I got this right here because I'm gonna be fixing a little part of my floor, my tile. It's like the trim, the edge that I've been lagging on. I've been putting it on for a while, so now it's time for me to get on it. You know, my wife's been on my bag telling me why haven't I done it yet, and this and that and the third. But like I tell her, you know, I forgot to put my extra set of arms this morning, so I was already busy doing one thing. That's why I couldn't get to that today, but soon enough we'll get to it. So that's it. Here's the I'm not sure exactly what that is, but let's try to put it together and see if we can make sense of this thing. But here's the tube that I'm going to be using, the adhesive, Master Weld 948. And here it is. Oh, this thing's pretty big, man. It's big. I mean, it feels solid. Yeah, so keep in mind, I'm not a pro at this. This is my first time ever even seen this thing. So we're gonna learn together, but I'm gonna try to put it all together. But this little thing, it's weird, man. Look how thick it is. That thing is wide, man. And right here has the I guess the speed of how much pressure it's gonna be putting out. So it goes from 1 to 6. And let's start to build it. So this is gonna be the rod that's gonna be pushing out the adhesive. So it says to try to wiggle it in there. There it is. You gotta make sure that the teeth are facing down. Okay. And right here it says 10 M12, 10 ounce, 300 ml. So you got to make sure you use, 10 ounce or less. Otherwise it's not going to fit. So these little, you got to screw this. This is the thing that's going to be pushing it out. So you screw this over here in the front. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's just a Phillip. So we're going to go ahead and screw that in. And then, all right, once it's screwed in there, this part right here also has to go screwed in here. You just twist this thing on there. And I guess it has this thing right here, so if you're using one of those caulks that's already been used before and it's all clogged up, you can use that to you know, puncture the hole again, clear it out. So that's handy that that thing is there, and then it's just it snaps right there into this little crevice. So there's that. And then let's put this back. You just slide this in, and you push this in to hold it tight. Push the back in to make sure that it's tight in there. Of course, you would be cutting this right here, this tip, but I'm not gonna cut it until I'm actually using it, so it won't dry up in the meantime. But when you cut this, you want to cut it at a slant, so when it comes out, it's coming, you know, it's at a slant. It's not just chopped straight up and down. Make sure you put it at a slant. And I'm just gonna put this little battery in here. It's a 2.0. Let me take this off. I don't want to accidentally squeeze it out. But so here's the different speeds, and back here is the battery charge. So when you push the trigger, okay, when you push it from this side, it locks the trigger, but that's what gives you access to slide this thing forward and backward. The rod, that's what gives you the access. Once you push it from the other side, then you're not gonna be able to push this no more with your hand. Then you're gonna have to just use the trigger, see? And that's the speed, so it's going slow right there. It's just 5 actually. Let's see, let's start at 1. Look how slow it's gonna be going. It's just barely turning. You can't even see it. Let's go one by one. 2, 3, see it moving? 4, 5, no, that's 3. That's 4, 5, and that's 6. Now it's going fast. Okay, and then when you release the trigger, it automatically pushes back, so that way it won't keep squeezing. So let me show you again. I'm gonna be squeezing it, and then when I let the trigger go, you're gonna see this the rod is gonna move back on its own. See right there, squeezing there, let it go. It moves back, that way it won't continue to squeeze it out. And then in the back, that's the battery indicator right here. See, it's fully charged. Other than that, it doesn't have that many tricks or special effects or anything out of the ordinary. You know, it's just straight to business. Just the trigger and the speed, and that's it. You get busy. So as soon as I get inside the house, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open, and we're gonna see how it pushes out this adhesive. Okay. All right, people, so we got the adhesive inside the gun already. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Husky mat for my knees, and we're gonna go ahead and lay down some of this adhesive, so we could put down this strip. This strip right here needs to go right there, and that little hole right there in that spot. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Keep in mind, I've never done this before, so bear with me. I'm just laying a thin strip. If I feel I need more, then I'll just put more. Yeah, that's how this little caulk gun, I mean, it did its job. So hopefully you guys got a good understanding on how to use it. But if you have any other questions, please put it down on the comments. Keep on doing what you do. Don't let nobody say you can't do anything. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next go around. Bye.